Hello, in this video, we will be comparing Miro and Figma. So these two are powerful tools but with very different purposes. So for Miro, it is a visual collaboration platform that acts like a big digital whiteboard. It's perfect for brainstorming, mind mapping, team planning, and real-time workshops. Figma, on the other hand, is a top-tier design tool mainly used to create user interfaces for websites, mobile apps, and prototypes. Figma also includes FigJam. It is a feature that mimics Micro's whiteboarding, but it is more limited. So which one is better? If you're a designer building layouts and interfaces, then you should go with Figma. If you're a project planner, strategies, or remote team, then you should go with Miro for visual planning and collaboration. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.